What's up, everybody? Welcome to the first ever legendary rebuilds video. It's Daniel here, and before we hop into anything, let's cue the intro. Shout out to everybody that pressed on this video. They decided to support the channel. This channel is going to be mainly me working on cars, modifying my Mustang that you saw in the intro, rebuilding cars, or just working on little things, life hacks for cars or little mods. And this first video that I created, I want it to be a little intro to the channel, a little what's going to be going on in the channel, what cars we got to work on, and how things are gonna look around here. And I know you noticed this car doesn't have the headliner in, and you might be wondering why. Well, that's because I'm in the first ever rebuild car for this channel. I'm currently sitting in is a 2014 Cadillac CTS V Sport. It got it off the auction, and this is the current rebuild project. Everything is taken apart in the car because the windshield was cracked. It was hit by a deer, it looks like, and the windshield was broken, and water got in the car. That's why my heads up display and all that, the odometer is taken out because I have to order a new one because the water got in it and ruined it. I've got a couple other wires I got to figure out, and that's why I'm slow to put in the interior, because I still got to figure some things out. Let's go over all the damage that we got in here and what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when you decide to start rebuilding cars in your garage and turning your garage into a shop. Oh, this is the twin turbo V6, 420 horsepower. I've taken off the front bumper. It's sitting aside, it's in good condition. Fender I took apart, it's completely destroyed. I have a new fender that is gonna be going on the car. Car has a little kink right here. Can't really notice it, but you can right there, a little kink that needs to be fixed, pulled out from the frame. Main damage is right here on the roof. We're gonna be fixing that. I've replaced the door already, mirrors already ordered. I've ordered a headlight as well. That one was destroyed. Everything else looks to be fine besides the rear tail light. Not sure how they broke it, but it is broken. This is the car. Roof is wrapped gloss black by the previous owner, and I started taking it off because I got to fix the front of it, but I will rewrap it because I really like the way gloss black look. They got the trim wrap gloss black. The car is in great condition on this side. It's basically great condition besides the roof. The roof is my main problem. That's the main thing I got to get fixed. Besides that, this is a little bit of pulling. That'll be nothing. Just got to install the headlight that's coming in. I ordered it, and then I got to put the fender on, and then the bumper, and I got to ordered a new hood that should be coming in this week. It was bent down pretty badly. I decided to just bend it back just to see what I can do. It's not bad, but still would rather have a new hood. Interior, you guys saw that. Car is really dirty, as you guys can see. The rear doors have mold on them, but it does come off. I just have to wash it. Seats are completely taken out. The carpet is taken out. The trunk, everything's stripped out, and I just threw a bunch of parts in here. Battery, all this kinds of stuff. So that's about it for this car. All the damage we have on this car. We're gonna have a lot of little things I gotta do with the interior. I gotta strip it all out so that we can work on the roof of the car. Lots of videos coming for this car. This channel is mainly gonna be, like it says, legendary rebuilds, so it's gonna be mainly about rebuilds. But if you guys want to see, I do like to do wrapping, custom wraps, custom interior, little things like that. I might be wrapping my headliner, might be wrapping it in suede, so you guys might be interested in that. But mainly the intro video, I wanted to ask you guys and see what you guys want to see from my videos. Do you guys want to see only rebuilds? Do you guys want to see me doing mods on my Mustang that I have, the 2018? That is a 2018 Mustang. Do you guys want to see mods on that car? Do you guys want to see just the rebuilding? Do you guys want to see little budget things, minor fixes, little hacks on cars? There's lots of little things that I like to do. I'll be wrapping the roof to this car. I'm gonna be plastic dipping the whole Mustang most likely, so I don't know if you guys want to see a video on that. There's lots of little things that I like to do on cars. I work on buddies' cars and things like that, but I just like you guys to tell me what you guys want to see from it. I appreciate you guys pressing on this video to watch it, and I hope you guys can like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos, and leave a comment of what you guys want to see. And that'll be it for this video. Peace.